Good afternoon, everybody. Steve Georgia here, live from Allendale's trading floor. It's August 6th, 2010. We had quite a week. We'll start with the wheat. That's been the biggest mover this week. Yesterday, we were limit up in the wheat. Today, we're limit down. So we did not have expanded limits last week for wheat. You need to see 2 consecutive contracts limit up in the same trading year. And we did not see that yesterday, although here today we did. We were limit down today. We were limit down by quite a few contracts right at the close of the session. We were limit down 2 consecutive trading months. And they are going to be looking at 90-cent limits here come Monday. But you look at it on a weekly basis, we did still finish 61.5 cents higher in wheat this week. So still a strong week there. But well off the highs here today. We actually closed more than $1 off the highs today. But we saw what happened back there in 2008. This wheat market can stay crazy and could get even worse. So we'll see. If we come in on Monday and we see Russia still having their problems there with their weather and everything else, and see the funds back in here buying, we could be up 90 cents just as fast as well. So this wheat market is very whippy, but we did finish limit down here today. So for corn and beans, didn't really follow here today. You had corn up 1.5 pennies. You had beans up 4.5 cents. The reason the beans kept their strength here today, mostly due to the weather that's coming down through the Delta. You've got hot and dry weather coming through the Delta right now, and they're looking for the next 5 days to remain that way. After that, you're looking at cooler temperatures, also bringing some rain in as well. We'll see if that's going to stay in the forecast here come Monday. If it does, we could still be higher on beans. If not, we'll see if that drag it a little bit lower. China was in buying beans again today. They bought every day this week. They're keeping support under this market right now, and they're continuing to push this higher. For the week, beans were up 23.5 cents, and as far as corn was up 12.25 cents. So more of a follower here this week more than anything. So wheat was up 61 cents, beans up 23, the corn up 12.25. So that wheat is probably going to be the leader here next week. If we're down again come Sunday night, you're going to find everything else lower with it. That's kind of the attitude that these traders are watching. So keep that in mind. As far as the dollar, these outside markets didn't really play a role too much this week, but the dollar was down 47 cents here today. Right near that 80.45. We did go down and hit some support. You've got to look at a continuous dollar chart, and if you look back the last several years in the dollar, 80.15 has been a very pivotal point for the dollar. And you got to go back the last couple of years, we did break down below that, but prior to that, that's been a significant low. So 80.15, we went as low as 80.17 here today. So if we can find some strength next week, get back up above 81, that may signal more of a short-term bottom in this dollar. But we are down today, down 47. Keep that 80.15 as far as a target. Look at that as support right now. But for the week, we saw the dollar pressured. It was down $1.22 for the week. So significant pressure here this week, and we'll see if we can find a little bit of recovery come next week. Crude oil down $1.30 today. It's down 45 cents for the week. Finding some weakness. It seems like this crude is struggling to rally at these levels. It seems every time we do see a little bit of a bounce, it's met with selling before the end of the session. But you got crude oil sitting right near that 80.70. We see a breakdown below that 80 again. That may trigger some stops and may push us down another couple bucks. But we were down about 45 cents for the week there as far as crude. The metals, we were up $8 today as far as gold. Puts us back above that 1,200 area. We sit at 1,206. It is up against some resistance right in here. So we'll see if that's going to matter next week. But we did find a little bit of a bounce today with the dollar being down. Silver up 15 cents today at 18.46 as well. As far as the livestock, fat cattle down 77. In the October contract, you did have cash cattle trade steady all week. So we are up near some highs here in this cattle market. We'll see if those highs can hold. But feeders were down 30 cents. You had hogs that were down $1.77. Midday cash price came in down about $1.50. That had pressured things, but we had seen the hogs down pretty good all session. So give us a call over here at any point, 800-262-7538. Check out our research on Allendale-inc.com right there on our website. Give us a call. We'd be glad to walk you through our research product online. And, give us a call with any questions you may have. Once again, the number, 800-262-7538. Hope you have a great week and have a good weekend.